Happy Halloween, everybody. My little hot dog and my witch here and I want to show you our new scary Halloween prop. This is going to be for daytime and nighttime decorating. This is an animated zombie maid. She's going to have creepy features and make scary sounds. So let's get her unboxed and put together. Look at that scary hand. Woo! All right, so out of the box, you'll see your zombie maid, and then you're going to have your base and your pole. So it's going to kind of put together a base like you would a Christmas tree. And you get a little instruction sheet. Okay, so if you look under her dress, you're going to see the pole right here where you're going to insert your pole right here. And right here is where you're going to insert your batteries. You'll need 3 AA batteries. With a little screwdriver, you undo the little screw right here and insert your batteries. And now she's good to go. Just put her on the pole. The old maid has fabric clothing. She's got a scary wrinkled face, glowing eyes. She's hunched over holding and swinging a lantern. And she's got a sensor, so when you bump into her, she's gonna come on. Isn't she scary? The zombie maid is 4.9 feet tall, and she has posable arms so you can spread it out where she really swings that lantern. The zombie maid will also react to loud noises, so if you come up on the porch trick-or-treating, you're gonna trigger her. Trick-or-treat! Woo! She's scary! Oh, she's scary! She's scary! This is what I'm gonna look like in a few years. Hey, if you want to get this girl for yourself, for your trick-or-treaters, and for your Halloween parties or your haunted house, look below, and I've got a link to her Amazon page where you can check her out.